Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video, where we will try to solve the unauthorized error 401, which occurs during Office 365 migration. So, let's get started. Office 365 has taken over cloud-based services by storm. Every business is now already using or planning to move to this platform since it provides users with a wide variety of applications and services, making their professional lives easier, innovative, productive, and creative. However, the Office 365 authorization process is lengthy since it involves a lot of steps. Along with that, it needs to be handled with proper attention. Even a slight error can interrupt it. One such error is 401, which can arise at any time during an Office 365 migration process. This error can be resolved provided you apply the right approach. Let's straight away dive into the methods to resolve unauthorized error 401. Reset login credentials. There might be some mistakes that you are making while typing the username and password. Make sure both are typed correctly. In case the password has expired, you can always reset it. User ID and UPN should be the same. The UPN is the user principal name in the Active Directory. This email address should be the same as your Office 365 ID, otherwise, you will continue to face this error 401. Check for the two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication is an added layer of protection for an account. Any manual migration or accessing of your mailbox becomes quite difficult if that is enabled in your Office 365 account. Registration of domain with DNS of Microsoft. If you are migrating instantly, then the error 401 will be displayed since the domain of Office 365 may not be registered with the Microsoft DNS yet. It will take a while to save the records. If you continue to face the error during the migration, you need to perform the migration with the help of a professional utility. Kernel Office 365 Migration does the job at hand effortlessly with advanced security and accuracy. It is a powerful utility capable of migrating all the items of a mailbox, including emails, journals, appointments, tasks, attachments, contacts, etc. The entire migration process can be completed in just 4 simple steps. With this, you can easily complete your migration without any complexities. Hope this video was useful to you, and Office 365 is not showing the error 401 anymore. Click the like button to share some love and leave a comment to share it with others who are in need of this. For more simple fixes, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon to never miss a video from us. For more information, click on the link given in the description box below. Keep watching and keep sharing. Adios.